How to customize the navigation bar and experience on an LG phone. Your LG phone has a few ways to customize the navigation bar and navigation experience to suit your preferences. To customize the navigation bar, open Settings, then tap on Display, and tap on Navigation Bar. In the navigation bar menu, you can choose to either use buttons or gestures. If using buttons, you can choose which buttons you use and rearrange them as you wish. To do this, tap on Button Combination and then drag the desired buttons onto the mock navigation bar at the top and order them as you would like. If you would prefer to use gestures, you can choose to hide the navigation bar or leave it showing. You can also choose the sensitivity of the left and right edges of the screen to make it easier or more difficult to trigger the back gesture. You can also tap on Gesture Guide at the bottom to see the available gestures. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.